Hello and welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I'm going to unbox the new keyboard I brought from Amazon, that is the Redragon Shiva. So let's check it out. So guys, this is the Redragon Shiva wired gaming keyboard. So it has a RGB gaming keyboard, 6 onboard micro key with wrist rest. So this is how the box is. So true RGB lighting, comfortable wrist rest, software available for professional gamers, and 8 multimedia keys. This is how it is on the side, and this is how it looks. So let's quickly unbox this and check it out. So we got the wired gaming keyboard manual and ready for battle. This is the stickers that you can attach on your laptop or anywhere, and you get the braided cable with this, and this is the armrest. The keyboard build quality is amazing. I feel this is heavy, so it has got stands, and here rubber grip. So this is the keyboard, guys. It has 6 micro keys and multimedia keys on the top. This is how it sounds. This is not a mechanical key but a membrane key. So let's check it out by attaching to my laptop. So I have attached the keyboard to the laptop now, and this is how it looks. It has a RGB effect. So let's try to change the RGB effect. This is second one, and this is third, this is fourth, and this is fifth. This is breathing effect, and this is sixth. So when you type, you get the flash there. So this is pretty much a very good gaming keyboard, and it is very budget friendly. I got it for 2000 rupees. If you want to buy this, you can check the description. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video. Please subscribe.